Hey little artists! Today we're going to draw an adorable little kitten together. Cats are playful, curious, and super cute. Step 1. Let's begin by drawing 2 pointy ears. Awesome! Our kitten already looks like it's listening for something. A cat can rotate its ears almost 180 degrees to hear sounds from different directions. That's like having built-in super hearing. Now draw 2 curved lines down from the ears. These round cheeks make our kitten look extra fluffy. Aww, it's already starting to look so cute. Now let's draw the kitten's body. Add the front legs, little paws, and the back leg. Take your time and follow along. If you're enjoying this drawing lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun art adventures every week.
Help me! Help me!
Look at that! Our kitten is sitting so nicely, almost like it's waiting for a tasty snack. Step 4. Every happy kitten needs a tail. Draw a curved tail on the side, make it curl upward. Perfect! Cats use their tails to help them keep their balance when they jump, climb, and walk along narrow places. Step 5. Now let's trace around the outside with a thicker line. Wow! Step 6. Now it's time to give our kitten some personality. Draw 2 little round eyes. Add a tiny nose, then draw a cute smiling mouth. Aww, our kitten looks so friendly. Maybe it's smiling because it wants someone to play with. Finally, draw 3 whiskers on each side of the face. There we go! Our adorable kitten is complete. Did you know? A cat's whiskers help it measure small spaces and find its way around, even when it's dark. They're like tiny built-in measuring tools. Fantastic job, little artists! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another fun drawing lesson. Thanks for watching. See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye-bye!